Okay guys, on Chris Does What today we're going to look at this jack. Remember, I don't know if y'all remember the video, but get jacked? Well, there was a lot of things saying you can't lift a big vehicle. Well, I think this is a big vehicle. 35-inch tires, 6-inch suspension lift, you know, all that jazz to make a jacked up truck. So I'm going to take, and I've already extended this out, I'm going to lift that tire off the ground, which is the heaviest tire on the truck. That's the engine's right there. And we're going to rotate the tires around on this truck. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get into this. Okay, so we're now under the truck and we're going to go ahead and lift this thing up. Turn down jack. So we're going to go ahead and take the tire off and move them around. Okay, so now we're at the back of the truck and we're going to lift do the same thing. Here we go. So that tire's off the ground and we're going to take the tires off now. Going to leave the jack in place back here and rotate them. The one thing I've noticed when you're using this cord is it's not short enough for a large vehicle. So our truck has multiple outlets, so we just plug it into multiple outlets, one in the front, one in the back. So this has a special lug nut adapter on this truck, and but this probably wouldn't fit in here without extension anyway, so that works out well. Oh, okay. 35-inch tires with this tool. Okay, there we go. Nice and heavy. Okay, I'm going to check them with the torque wrench, but looking good. So now we're ready to lower it. Okay, so for all you people who say you can't lift up a big truck with this jack, get jacked. It works. So I did this side. I'm going to do the other side off camera because moving the camera around and stuff like that takes too much time. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. Looks about like that. And if you're looking for great recipes, good eats, check out dininginwithdanielle.com or just go to chrisdoeswhat.com. Same place. My wife has wonderful recipes out there. made me the man I am today. And y'all please take care.